In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an About Us section to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and select the website you want to edit. Once you are on the correct site, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy website builder. After the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want your About Us section to appear. This could be your home page or another page on your website. Scroll down to the exact location where you want to place the new section. In GoDaddy Website Builder, you can add new content between existing sections, which makes it easy to place the About Us area exactly where it fits best. When you are ready, click the Add Section button. This will open a list of section categories that you can browse. Look for the About category and select it. You will then see a variety of About Us layouts. Choose the design that matches the style of your website and the amount of information you want to include. Once you find the one you want, click Add to insert it onto the page. Now you can begin customizing the section. Replace the default heading with your own About Us title. You can use something simple and clear, such as About Us, Our Story, or Who We Are. Then edit the body text and add details about your business or organization. Keep the text informative and easy to read. You can include your background, your mission, your values, or a short introduction to your team. If the layout includes an image, upload a new one, or replace the existing image with a photo that represents your brand. This could be a team photo, a business image, or something that helps visitors connect with your story. Make sure the image looks clean and professional. After that, review the completed About Us section in the editor. Check that the title, text, and image all look the way you want. Then click Preview to see how the section will appear on your live website. This is a good time to make any final adjustments if needed. Once everything looks right, click Publish to make the About Us section live on your website. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.